I've got a great giveaway for you, some really nice character packs that you can use in your games or scenes. First of all is my monster character pack called the Barrys. You might have seen that before where I talk about how I made it in this video somewhere around here. Link to that video in the description if you want to learn more about that. I think the monster pack is brilliant because you can change things like the clothing and the heads and the body parts, and I had loads of fun making it. The idea is that you can have lots of different combinations and therefore lots of different enemies running around. The only thing is that if you do download them, I do want to see the results because I love to see my characters running around causing havoc and making loads of mess. So GameDev TV are giving away that monster pack, and there's an indie character pack as well. There's fantasy characters, adventure characters, city characters, futuristic characters and props. This is all to push their Black Friday sale that they've got on at the moment. All the courses are $10 and you can get the courses as low as $5 in their big mega bundles. There'll be a link to those bundles and the free assets that you can download in the description. Again, please let me know how you get on with the assets and how they work in your games, whether they worked out for you, what things I should change and add in the next one. So thanks for watching, and I'm looking forward to seeing what you come up with.